In this quick video, I want to show you how you can create a brush and a pattern in Photoshop. So customized brush and customized pattern. So I'm going to go to a new file. I'm going to start with one of these template or preset. So I'm going to use like this 1000 times 1000 preset. And I'm going to create what is going to be my brush. So to do this, I need to create another layer here. So I'm going to click on new layer. Also want to change the workspace here to essential because I don't need the timeline. I don't need to do animation. I just need a layer here, and let's create our image that we're gonna convert into a brush. So I can use the brush here, but and paint whatever um, drawing I wanna draw. So let's like, change the size, and I don't know. I'm just gonna like scrabble around here, and then I can use all the other like tools like the smudge, or I can use like also vector graphics if I want, so or gradients, whatever. Now anything can be turned into a um, a brush. So maybe I do a triangle here, and I will fill it with black. There you go. So I have a triangle with these, and I have two layers here now because I have a vector graphic layer with the triangle, and then I have the pixel layer with the smudge and the other effect here with the brush. So if I want to take all of this stuff and turn it into a customized brush, now also what I'm going to do is make it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to select these two and make sure that they're going to fit in this square. So I will just transform them. So edit, transform, and let's do scale, and I'm gonna make them a little bit smaller so they fit into the space. And you can see this is not really good because this has been cut away. So I want to smudge this a little bit more, and be careful. Oops, that's the gradient there. I want to just smudge. Be careful not to go outside. Okay, when I'm ready here, when I have my whatever it is, I don't want to make it into a brush, I can go to edit and just define a new brush. So this is a new brush right now. And I say, okay, and there it is. It's already, I can already use this. And I want to create a new file. Let's make like full HD. So there you go. Now I want to make this smaller. I can use it for the smudge, for the eraser, or whatever other pixel, but I'm gonna use it with the standard brush right here, brush tool. So this is standard brush, and if I click here, I will find also mine. There you go. So this is now mine, and I can make it smaller, and there you go. Now, if I want, I can play even more with this to customize it. So if I don't see here the customization for the brush, I can go up here, window, and look for the brush settings here. And you have a bunch of settings like dynamics, scattering. So I want to like scatter these around, and also like noise, brush pose, transfer, color dynamics. You can manage and customize all of this stuff. I'm just gonna change the color here to make something a little bit more fun, like this. And you can see, so now it's a pretty different brush. And if I want to save this, I can save also the new brush. I'm gonna go here, just click on the plus. That's gonna be like another brush so I have two versions of the same brush. Now to create a pattern is basically the same thing. So once you get the pattern that you want to repeat over and over, you get here and do edit, define pattern. And there you go. Now with the pattern, again, let's go back on this. So if I create a new layer, and this is going to be empty, so I'm going to fill it, or I can create a gradient here to fill this new layer like this. And then I can apply a style. So I double click here, apply a style with the pattern. So I can do pattern overlay, and there you go. That's my pattern right now that I'm using. So now I can like turn that both on, and perhaps here I can play around with the blending mode so I can see both the brush and the pattern. And there it is. So this is how you can create customized brush and customized patterns in Photoshop. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and stay updated. If you want to thank us, if you want to support us, please join the channel as a supporter and check our other courses and video guides, especially the course in Photoshop that you find in the channel, which could be really interesting for you. And you can see I'm just continuing here to play around with the patterns and the customized brush and pattern. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.